In this demo, we are checking out the Omni Fiber Laser Machine 30x50N. I'm going to give you a quick look at how it cuts stainless steel with speed and precision. Also, I will show you some key features of this machine. Then I will wrap up by sharing the surprisingly low price. Trust me, your jaw will drop when you hear it. So sit back, watch this laser work with its magic, and see why it's totally worth investment. So let's do this.
TikTok, all stop.
Omni ensures top precision through its sourcing of high-end components like Retor's laser head, Max Photonics fiber laser source, self-cut control system, highway linear guide system, and Delta servo motor drive, all come together to provide a laser processing cell far exceeding expectations for the cost. Through leveraging best-in sector suppliers and value engineering design, Omni is able to offer this fully specified laser machine at a highly competitive price without compromising on quality, accuracy, or longevity. Customers benefit from a precision laser solution that fits within even the tightest of production budgets. The wiring and electrical components in the control cabinet can meet both CE and FDA safety standards. During this season, it is only at US $9,999 for sale. Don't miss it. If you're in the industry of thin sheet metal fabrication like automotive components cutting, medical equipment manufacturing, electrical enclosure building, signage workshop for logo letter cutting, or other metal cutting workshop for prototype or small volume order delivery, you should consider this fiber laser machine. Omni also offers 3 kW, 4 kW, 6 kW, 12, even the 20, 30, 40 kW fiber laser. If you have the requirements of the thick metal sheet or the tube cutting, don't hesitate to let us know. We are for sure will offer you the right solution of the metal sheet and tube cutting at affordable price.